हिंदी सिनेमा के प्रसिद्ध अभिनेता सोनू सूद ने एएफटी ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम में स्टूडेंट्स को दिया सफलता का मंत्र। दिल्ली स्थित भारत मंडपम में शिक्षा, रचनात्मक और कैरियर के नए अवसरों को बढ़ावा देने की दिशा में एशियन एकेडमी ऑफ फिल्म एंड टेलीविज़न एएफटी के ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम 2026 का आज भव्य आयोजन किया गया। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ हुई। इस अवसर पर एएफटी यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा विशेष अतिथि के रूप में बॉलीवुड के अभिनेता, निर्माता, मानवतावादी अभिनेता सोनू सूद, बिग बॉस अभिनेता और मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर विजय विक्रम सिंह, तिमोथेस के राजदूत कॉर्टिको नून्स और इक्वाडोर के राजदूत फर्नांडो बुचेली सहित कई गणमान्य अतिथि उपस्थित रहे। वहां उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों का पुष्प गुच्छ भेंट कर स्वागत किया गया।
And now I request our honorable dignitary. As a cultural ambassador of International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry, at present he has such a precious moment. Honored by your gracious presence with us, Republic of Ecuador, a voice of diplomacy, international government. Set the tone for this new academic journey. I invite a visionary founder of the AAFT movement, Dr. Sandeep Marwa, to share his thoughts, his visions, and his message with our students. So everyone, please.
You have showered on me. I am seeking these blessings. Please see to it that there should be no hindrances, no obstacles, no problems in reaching my destination, and I would love to be part of you. With all these words, let's start the new session of 2026 AAFT. Respected His Excellency Carlito News, Ambassador of Timor-Leste to India, His Excellency Fernando Ushili, Ambassador of Ecuador to India, Directors, Deans, faculty members, members of the management, and my dearest most students. भाव विचार भरे नित अंतर, पुण्य धरा बन जाए स्वर्ग ये, मेरे यत्नों से करुणा कर. What I'm trying to tell you here, whether it is north, south, east or west, whether you're in India or abroad, whether you are on the top of the hill or you're standing at a seashore, whether you are in a lush green garden, and through my good karmas, I would love to convert this earth into heaven. This is what I believe. I'm sure you will also believe in the same. My dear friends, may I request all of you, कृपा करके आप दोनों सभी लोग दोनों हाथ जोड़िए. मैं एक लाइन बोलता हूं, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप इस लाइन को रिपीट करें. सभी दिशाओं से शुभ सुंदर, भाव विचार भरे नित अंतर, पुण्य धरा बन जाए स्वर्ग ये, मेरे यत्नों से करुणा कर. Fantastic. Thank you very much. God bless you. Every department which is connected to films, television, media, art, culture, fashion, design, data science, interior, whatever it is, anything, let me say, all the creative departments, they are absolutely based. जोरदार पूरी एनर्जी के साथ एक जबरदस्त नारा लगाएंगे, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. All the best. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very happy to be here in this morning in this beautiful, incredible India. Could you feel the good vibes? It's a fantastic environment we feel here in this morning. I want first to congratulate all of you to become part of this excellent, outstanding institution, one of the most prestigious institutions in India, directed by Dr. Marwa. But I want to you again to congratulate. You know, diplomats are the people who are dealing with politics, signing treaties and so on. But most important, diplomacy is talking about people.
Respected entire team of IIFT, Dean, faculty, director, members of the IIFT, and dear students. My heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Sandeep Marwa, Sher, who is tirelessly invested in education. I met with Dr. Marwa precisely last year, this was my first arrival in New Delhi. So when first time we met, we discussed about the education cooperation between Marwa Studio and also Timor-Leste. So it was great. Invite me again to be part of this great platform. So it is a great honor and privilege for me as a representative of Timor-Leste to be part of AAFT Orientation Program 2026.
Records. And some records become a part of institutional history. It is now my privilege to invite Mr. 56 countries over 34 years to Dr. Sandeep Marwa. So everyone, please put your hands together. Everyone, please be student for show. For this incredible moment, as we express our gratitude and thanks to our distinguished dignitaries.
Pleasure to be here at Bharat Mandapam. We are very happy and excited. Today we have completed 33 years in education. AAFT University has become an international brand. We have already churned out more than 35,000 students from 145 countries of the world, 90 different powerful courses in 6 different campuses, and I'm happy that AAFT students are doing very well. Today, you go to any place, you'll find AFTians doing very well in their respective field. I'm happy that we all started with a hardcore cinema school, and then we extended to journalism, added to music and animation, then we added fashion and design, interior design, data science, law, business, management, and so many other disciplines today under AAFT University. We are opening a new session today, 2026, and I'm happy that we have students again from all over India, probably every state today. And Bharat Mandapam is a very auspicious, a very powerful and a national symbol, I can only say that, where we are today starting our new session, and we have 2 very important personalities right now with us, the ambassador of Ecuador, and we have also the ambassador of Timor-Leste. I would like them to also speak for a minute. Powerful, very interesting. We had a wonderful motivational speaker in the morning. We have a very charming, handsome, and a very dynamic actor, Sonu Sood, who's going to be here in another minute. And we have just finished with our session. Idea is to not only boost the energy, but also boost the morale of the student. And that's what is needed today. The education at AAFT is, we have a mission that we want to create a thorough professionals, and before creating thorough professionals, we want to create good human beings.
For me to be here with this platform, especially my gratitude to Dr. Marwa that has been invited me to participate in this orientations of the batch of 2026.
of AAFT new students. So, as ambassador of Timor-Leste, this is a privilege. We have been discussed with Dr. Marwa. In the future, maybe Timor-Leste students also can come study at the Marwa AAF studio, or sorry, Marwa AAF universities in Noida. So once again, thank you so much.
This morning I told to the students, keep dreaming, but if you want to that dreams become reality, you have to learn. And these students have the privilege to learn in one of the most distinguished institutions. I want to congratulate to Dr. Marwa for his institution. We have been working with them. We have a program to promote films. And I came here not only to promote friendship, but also to promote the relationship between India and Ecuador. And again, congratulations to all the students, Dr. Marwa.
Producer, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and individual who became a symbol. Sonu Sood. Everyone put your hands together. And I think we have more energy. Now, Mr. Sood, that is the power and excitement of AAFT students. And we are really thrilled and excited to have you here with us. It's a pleasure and privilege to honor and introduce Mr. Sonu Sood, an acclaimed actor, filmmaker, producer, model, humanitarian and philanthropist who has created a remarkable journey across Indian cinema and social service.
तो मैं पूछ रहा था कि ये जो जितने आज मैं स्टूडेंट से मिलने वाला हूँ ये किस किस दुनिया को बिलोंग करते हैं, तो पता चला कि क्रिएटिव तो सब कुछ है। तो सर मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, जब मैंने एक्टिंग शुरू की थी आप कहाँ थे सर? आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिल्ली। मुझे याद है कि मैं यहाँ साउथ एक्स पार्ट 1 में पंजाब से मैं पहले इंजीनियरिंग के लिए नागपुर गया, देन आई फिनिश माई इंजीनियरिंग, केम टू दिल्ली टू स्टार्ट माई स्ट्रगल एज एन एक्टर. 6-8 months I struggled, from one place to other, and then I moved to Bombay. But I remember Delhi is a very lucky place for all creative people who want to start their journey, who want to make big, who want to make their parents proud. This is the place. So you just have to give your best. तो बोलते हैं ना कि जो half-hearted जो efforts होती हैं वो कभी आपको कामयाबी तक नहीं लेके जा सकती. तो you have to give your 100% and make sure that you make your family proud. करेंगे ना आप लोग? तो कहते हैं जब आर्टिस्ट के अंदर भूख नहीं होती ना तो फिर वो भूखा ही रहता है सारी जिंदगी. तो इसलिए वो भूख हमेशा बरकरार रखिएगा. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड one thing is also very important, apart from the hard work that you do, blessings also do magic in your life. You might be supremely talented, you might be supremely hardworking, but again, blessings is one thing that changed things for you. I remember when I came to Mumbai for the first time, मैं किसी को नहीं वहाँ जानता था. Never knew a single soul. From one office to other, I used to just keep on moving, and I knew that one day it will happen. Then I started my journey from South, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Chinese, बहुत सारी भाषाओं में करीबन 100 फिल्में की. And then I realized कि इस शहर में फेमस होने ही आए थे, लोग जानना चाहते थे कि आपको आपके नाम से जाने, आपकी पहचान बने. And then during COVID especially, when I connected with a common man, and I realized that when you have blessings of all these people who need you, जब उनकी दुआएं आपके साथ जुड़ती हैं, then you actually achieve your dreams. और फिर post-COVID I realized that when you bring a smile on an unknown face, that's much more bigger than 1,000 crore box office film.
Just keep audience in mind before assessing or finalizing anything. And third very important thing is that यूं तो महफिल में हम पढ़ते रहे, सुनने वालों की मर्जी चाहिए, लाख आंसू इश्क भी रोए तो क्या, आसमानों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. आप you're a passionate person, you're totally devoted, dedicated. Two things where you have to look up. Number one, Almighty. His blessings are very important, and His blessings comes only to those people who are good human beings. And second, जब आप ऊपर देखें कौन है ऊपर वालों की blessings, the establishment, the law, the business, the rules and regulation, the systems, the terms and conditions of working. Always obey them. Always believe in a proper system. You're bound to be successful.
Oh my God.
I know that today's generation is very well informed. You have social media, you have millions of things to actually learn, to follow. But when I started my career, social media obviously nahi hota tha, and all I knew was that I have to make my family proud, mujhe parents ko proud karna hai. And today, when we are spending more time with our mobile phones and less with our family, so I think always stay connected with your roots. That's very, very important. क्यों कहते हैं जितना आप जिंदगी में ऊपर जाना शुरू करोगे, ऑक्सीजन कम होती जाएगी. And that's why we feel many people who are successful, जो आपको बड़ी गाड़ियों में दिखते होंगे, चकाचौंध दिखती होगी, बहुत कामयाबी दिखती होगी, पैसा दिखता होगा, लेकिन अकेलापन बहुत है. वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो रूट्स के साथ जुड़े नहीं हैं. आप जिन भी शहरों से आए हैं, मेक श्योर कि जब आपकी इस सफ़र की शुरुआत हो, जो आपके साथ आज टिके हुए हैं वो तब भी टिके रहें जब आप ऊपर पहुँचे. विश्वास मानिए, मुझे 100 फिल्में मैंने की हैं अलग अलग भाषाओं में, लेकिन आज भी मेरे दोस्त, आज भी मेरे सबसे अजीज़ लोग वो हैं जब मैं सिनेमा में नहीं आया था. सो वो आपको हमेशा खुद से आपके अपनी आत्मा से जोड़ के रखेंगे, और जब तक आपका वो कनेक्शन जुड़ा रहेगा तब तक आप अपनी जो कामयाबी है उस पर पहुंचते रहोगे. मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा एग्जांपल एक बार किसी को बोलते हुए सुना था. वो कहते हैं कि प्लेन कितना भी बड़ा हो, जब उसे हज़ारों लाखों केजीज वेट उठाकर, लगेज उठाकर यहाँ से अमेरिका, कनाडा लाखों हज़ारों मील उड़ता है, लेकिन उसे रनवे पे लाने के लिए एक छोटा सा एक ट्रक लगता है जो उसे रनवे पर लेकर आता है. और ट्रक तो उसको लेकर जाता है रनवे पर, उसके बाद फिर प्लेन वो उड़ता है, अपनी उड़ान भरता है, और अपने जो उसके अंदर जो काबिलियत है उससे वो उड़ान तो भर लेता है. लेकिन कई बार हमने सुना भी होता है कि कई बार ऐसे प्लेन क्रैश हो जाते हैं, गिर जाते हैं, तो सबसे पहले क्या बोलते हैं कि उसका ज़मीन से संपर्क टूट गया था. जब तक ज़मीन से संपर्क जुड़ा रहता है आपकी उड़ान उड़ती रहती है. तो आप उस प्लेन की तरह हैं जिसको आपका परिवार, जो आपके दोस्त, आपसे कम कामयाब दोस्त, आपसे कम पैसे वाले दोस्त, वो ट्रक की तरह हैं जो आपको आपके रनवे तक लेके जाएंगे. तो उड़ना है तो ज़मीन से संपर्क बनाए रखना, और फिर आपकी उड़ान कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
All the FTNs, I want to say that you are rock stars. You have got the best of people to teach you, to guide you, give you 100%. Be disciplined and make sure that you make your family proud. And I think, and then there's no stopping. So you have to be very, very dedicated.
So what do you want to say about this orientation program?
I think it's a blessing. When you're starting your journey, you have million things in your mind, and when you have all the students put together, you interact with them. So I think there can't be a better platform to actually start your journey, and want to wish every single individual all the best, and may every single one they achieve their dreams.
So one personal learning throughout your career?
I think the most important thing is have patience and perseverance, and things will happen.